Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting Bennett, and in this video I would like to show you my completed diamond painting kit from a new company, Simply Make. And the kit was purchased at TJ Maxx a few months ago for less than $10. I was actually surprised to find a diamond painting kit at TJ Maxx, and if you follow my channel, you know that I like trying new brands, and it was not an exception, so I got it. Although I do not like flowers that much, but there were like a few more designs. One was an elephant, the other one was tiger, and I didn't really like the technique of the design of the painting. And even this diamond painting had the effect of paint by numbers design. Unfortunately, I threw away the original packaging, but I do have an unboxing video, a video unboxing of this kit. I will link it in the description box below. So if you want to see how the design looked originally on the preview on the box, you can just click the link and see it, and you will understand what I mean when I say that the design itself had the effect of paint by numbers. So let's start with specifications of the kit. This is a full round drill diamond painting kit in the size of 48 by 36 centimeters. This kit comes with 16 colors. All drills are either acrylic or resin. I'm not sure at the moment. And the canvas is not fabric based. It is a standard canvas that we can see on AliExpress, maybe vinyl, I'm not sure, paper cloth or vinyl. And as to the adhesive, it was a poured glue. As to the drills, they were of a pretty good quality. I tossed away maybe one or two, so there were no damaged ones, but the drills themselves were not as faceted as, for example, Diamond Dots ones or Diamond Tower Club ones. They were very, very, very standard. Now, as to the final result, let's talk about how long it took me to diamond paint. Actually, it was really very easy and fast to diamond paint this kit because it contained a lot of color blocking, especially here on the sky and even the flowers. You can see there are a lot of color blocking, and it took me less than a week to complete it, and I did not work on the kit every day, maybe every other day for a few hours, so it was pretty fast. As to the final result, I am not impressed with the quality. I didn't really expect much from this kit because, again, when I bought it, the final result, the preview picture, had the effect of a finished design from paint by numbers. You know, like when people do paint by numbers, you can see right away that the picture that they are showing you is from paint by numbers kit. You know, it's not like they drew it themselves. It is just paint by numbers. I can't even describe this technique or the effect that I mean, but I'm pretty sure you understand. It looks like it was colored by somebody. So this design had this very, I had this impression when I looked at this design on the preview on the box, and I did not really expect much from it. Especially taking into consideration the fact that the size is pretty small, and this kit, this design has a lot of details, a lot of flowers, so I didn't expect it to be detailed, but at the same time, I did not anticipate it to turn out with such a low resolution. So it was not hand rendered for sure. There are no artists working on the kit because it looks pretty primitive to me and very pixelated. Maybe if the design was a little bit bigger, it would look better. But again, since it was not rendered by designers, it would still lack digitalization, even if the size was a little bit bigger than that. So I'm not really very impressed with the quality of the final result. Technique-wise, it's okay, but I do not like how it looks completed. And I forgot to mention, but I did a few modifications to this kit. I replaced 3 crawlers with AB drills, specifically the white one was replaced with white AB, the blue one, and the red one. All the rest are original drills. So that's how it looks. As to this brand, Simply Make, I have never heard about that. I had never heard about it before. I googled it, and as far as I understood, it is a British brand. I saw it in UK. It cost around $16. They had different kits, but they are all pretty small sized. Like the design area is pretty small, which makes me think that they will turn out to be pixelated. I don't know. Maybe these kits are for kids, for children who just start diamond painting. I'm not sure. Like for maybe 8-10-year-olds, and who do not have high expectations of the rendering and detailed final result. I also saw one of the kits on Amazon. It costs around $26. Again, I purchased it for less than, maybe for $10, maybe a little bit less than that. I don't remember, but it was pretty cheap. So just for you to know how it looks completed, if you see this brand's kits and you would consider purchasing it, just this is one of the final results. So just look at it, and it's up to you to spend your money on it or not, especially if you decide to purchase it from Amazon, which is not $10, which is $26. I didn't see the same VRA design. There were some other ones, but again, the design area was pretty small. So I personally would not purchase from this company again, because I am not impressed with the rendering. So my next project will be this glass stained heart from Diamond Dots, which is also a pretty small kit. By the way, also forgot to mention that this is of it's a very non-standard sized kit, and it will be really very hard for me to find the frame of the size. And of course, I'm not going to get a custom frame, because it would cost me like $40-50 for sure. So as to this very kit, it is a partial kit from Diamond Dots, but Diamond Dots is famous for their very detailed charting, and the final result looks fantastic, no matter the size and no matter how bad the design looks at the beginning. They always turn out to be beautiful, because again, they have a team of designers that work on their kit, and they eliminate every single issue that could cause pixelation. And although it is partial, you see the background is not going to be diamond painted, I'm sure that it would still turn out terrific. This is actually the final result. I am going to diamond paint this kit for my co-worker. So he has his birthday coming, and I hope he's going to like it. It looks some kind of like a mandala or mandala. I'm not sure how it is pronounced. He's from India, and I know he's into all this mandalas or mandalas, whatever they are. And the design inside of the heart does look like one. And I'm thinking of replacing a few colors with crystals. I think it would look very pretty. So just for you, heads up what to expect in the future. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.